Hello everyone guys, this is Suyash Negi and today we are going to start with the virtual assistant, how to make your own Edith or Jarvis just like an Ironman. So this won't be as much as smart, but it can do everything that they can do except for those satellites and all. Yeah, obviously I won't brag. So yeah, so just watch this video completely. By the end of this video, you will be able to generate system voices, that is that your Edith or Jarvis can speak, get date and time, wish you, and some pretty basic things. There are going to be 4 videos or 5 videos in total for this playlist. So I am just making these videos as I go. Okay, so let's get started with the code. What we will do first, we'll go to our project directory. So this is my project directory. I'm going to open command prompt here. Okay, so once the command prompt is open, we are going to install our first dependency. So the first dependency which we are going to install using pip command is Python text to speech, which stands for TTS, extension version 3. So this is the library that we'll use in order to make this virtual assistant. Let's click on enter. Let's wait for it. Okay, already satisfied requirements. This basically means that I have already installed that in my system. So I would invite you guys to do the same. Now we can move on with the code. So what I'm going to do is open the Jupyter notebook here. So let's wait for this now. So talking about this virtual assistant, there are so many future scope as well. If you are interested in machine learning, you can definitely go and check my other playlist which is on machine learning. I have discussed bunch of different algorithms there. I will put the link in a description as well. You can go and check out. So now we are going to create a new Python notebook. Okay, so now we have our Python notebook. Now what we are going to do is first import our dependency, that is Python text to speech extension 3. Okay, so it's imported now. Okay, so now we'll just define some couple of global variables. First will be the engine speech. Okay, so this is the basically the global variable which will initialize this Python text to speech, and basically we'll use this object to generate the voice from computer. So it will be pyttsx3 dot init. So we're calling its initializer. Okay, this will be a global for speech. Okay, one more thing which will make global here is the data which will be using, like we want some constant data. For example, I want to know what month it is, right? And I want to ask my virtual assistant Edith that what month is this. So Edith is gonna respond in some numeric value that will be an integer from 1 to 12, right? We want it to be January, Feb, or March, something like that. So we'll just define some constant. Okay, we'll just define the constant for date, and it will be month. Okay, so let's declare this tuple. So it will be January here, then February, March, June, July, August, September, November, and December. I think I missed one of September, October. Okay, so yeah, this is done. So let's just run this and check if we got any error or not. Okay, so this can take some time because we are basically initializing the speech engine for speech, right? So yeah, it's done. Now let's define some function. Okay, first we can check like how will this work. I want my PC to say, let me check the volume first. Yeah, I want my PC to say like hello world or something. So I'll just go and um, use this variables engine speech and dot say. Now it will say hello world. Let's run this. I have to run one more thing after this, my bad. Speech run and wait. Now it will run.
Hello world.
So now you guys see what I'm talking about. So what we will do is basically make a generic function so that we can use this speech engine to say whatever we want. Like we have to pass a string and this function will basically make the system say. Okay, so we'll just say speak. We'll make a function called speak and we'll pass the info that will be in string format. Okay, now let's speech dot say. Now we want info here, and then what we will do is engine speech dot run and wait. Okay, now this is done. So now we can use this function to say anything what we want. So okay, this will be, I want my system to speak Suyash created me. Okay, let's check it out.
Suyash created me.
It works awesome. So what else we want here? Let's, for now we will just define some basic functions like for getting the date and date time, something like that. Let's make it a little generic so we can use it anywhere. This is going to be I think this Edith series will take at least 3 to 4 more videos, and they won't be so much long, and it will make you an awesome college project if you want, or you can learn something like these things, right? You want some personal assistant to do your things that you want to automate, some small jobs at your home, anything. This thing will run on anything. That's a period. Okay, so let's create some generic function for date time. Oops, I have to import date time first. Import date time, got it. Then let's say return date time dot now, and we want it in a string format time. And what format do we want? We want it to be hours and minutes and seconds. Yep, this seems fine. So let's run this. Looks fine, guys. Okay, let's test this function now. I want my system to speak the current date time. Let's test this. Speak, and we are calling the speak function, which are using the engine speech, and we will be passing date time, the current date time now here. So we'll call the function that is get date time, but we need to run from start because I imported this on later, right? So we need to just run this from start.
11 hours 17 minutes and 39 seconds.
Voila, it's working. Now we can test some other things as well. Let's create a function for um, just to get a date. We don't want time. Okay, we can even merge these two functions, but it will be more clearer if we make these two separate functions. Okay, so yes, we will get our year. Year will be date time dot date time dot now, and we want our year. Month, so this is the month we I'm talking about. We'll just use this as index. Oh, I have to convert this into an integer. Yeah, so now we'll get the month. So the month we will get is on basically an integer, so we will use that integer as an index to get the month from here. Okay, that's why I declared this tuple. Now you can see the bigger picture here, what's going on. So what we need here is month and day. So int date time dot date time dot now dot day. Okay, so we got all these things. Now we want to return a string that basically says the date. So we'll see today is we'll say first day of month of month, and then we'll say the year. Okay, and we can format it now. First we will pass our day, the month, and the year. Okay, let's run this. No errors. Superb, guys. Now we can pass this into a speak function. So get date.
Today is 27 of 5, 2020.
Maybe the speed is a little fast, you can say, but yeah, you can always reduce the speed by passing some commas here. So let's try this.
Today is 27 of 5, 2020.
Yeah, that sounds very weird, so let's just leave it to that. We'll try to get something.
Today is 27 of 5, 2020.
Sounds decent. So this is it for the first video, guys. In the next video we'll be manipulating so many things. We can automate the mail task if you want. We can email someone. We just and we'll introduce the speech recognition as well. So now we don't have to type the work. Only thing we need to do is called Edith. Edith will start listening to us, and then we'll give Edith command, and then it will run the command and automate it, maybe send mail, turn off lights, and whatever we want, right? Whatever you want. So this is it for the video. Please, if you have any question, leave your questions in the comment section. I'll definitely respond to it. You can reach out to me on social media as well. I would like to invite you guys to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll just keep on giving these awesome videos so that you can make cool projects. Thank you very much for watching this video.